The 2026 Peugeot 3008 arrives as a bold evolution of one of Peugeot's most successful SUVs, blending futuristic styling, advanced technology, and efficient powertrains in a package that is designed to compete in the increasingly demanding compact crossover segment. Over the years, the 3008 has carved out a reputation for being more than just another family SUV. It has been praised for its striking design, upscale interiors, and innovative features. The new 2026 model pushes these qualities further, reflecting Peugeot's ambition to position itself as a leader in both style and substance within the mainstream and semi-premium SUV market. From the outside, the 2026 Peugeot 3008 showcases a dramatic redesign that leans heavily on Peugeot's evolving design language. The front fascia is characterized by a wide grille that seamlessly integrates with slim LED headlights, giving the SUV a sharp, modern identity. The lighting signature, with Peugeot's signature claw-like daytime running lights, ensures instant recognition on the road. The bodywork features sleek lines, sculpted surfaces, and a slightly more aerodynamic profile compared to its predecessor, all contributing to improved efficiency and a more dynamic road presence. The fastback-inspired rear design is particularly eye-catching, balancing sportiness with practicality, while the full-width taillight strip enhances the futuristic aesthetic. Inside, Peugeot continues to impress with its unique iCockpit design philosophy, which has long been a distinguishing feature of the 3008. The 2026 model brings an even more digital and immersive experience for both driver and passengers. The dashboard is dominated by a large curved display that merges the instrument cluster and central infotainment system into one sweeping unit. This new generation screen delivers sharp graphics, intuitive navigation, and seamless smartphone integration. Physical buttons are minimized, but Peugeot retains its stylish piano key toggle switches for quick access to essential functions, ensuring a blend of digital sophistication and user-friendly practicality. The cabin materials also reflect Peugeot's move towards a more premium identity. Soft touch surfaces, sustainable upholstery options, and ambient lighting combine to create a refined and modern atmosphere. Space remains a strong selling point, with clever packaging ensuring ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats can fold flat to expand cargo capacity, making the 3008 versatile enough for family use, while still maintaining its stylish character. In terms of performance, the 2026 Peugeot 3008 is offered with a diverse range of powertrains to cater to different markets and customer preferences. At the heart of the lineup are hybrid and plug-in hybrid options, which pair efficient petrol engines with electric motors to deliver strong performance alongside lower emissions and improved fuel economy. Peugeot has also expanded its electric offering, with a fully electric E3008 variant featuring a long-range battery and fast-charging capabilities. This positions the 3008 as a forward-looking SUV in a market that is rapidly transitioning to electrification. Depending on the chosen configuration, customers can expect a mix of front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive options, providing flexibility for those who prioritize efficiency as well as those who require added traction and capability. Driving dynamics remain a strong point for Peugeot, and the 2026 3008 continues to emphasize comfort, stability, and engaging handling. The steering is precise, suspension tuning is balanced between comfort and responsiveness, and advanced driver assistance systems enhance safety and convenience. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated parking are available, ensuring the 3008 competes with rivals that often place heavy emphasis on cutting-edge technology. Overall, the 2026 Peugeot 3008 stands as a striking example of how a compact SUV can combine design flair, practicality, and innovation. It moves beyond being just a family vehicle, positioning itself as a stylish and technologically advanced choice for buyers who want more than the ordinary. With its combination of electrified powertrains, futuristic interior, and distinctive design, the latest 3008 is set to strengthen Peugeot's reputation on the global stage and appeal to a wide spectrum of customers looking for an SUV that delivers efficiency, comfort, and character in equal measure.